We all know airline travel to be relaxing, especially when it's on Alaska Airlines. So what happens when one airport passenger gets rebooked for all the multiple airport reasons? On November 7th, 2025, the Port of Seattle Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Hey man, Officer Palmer, Port of Seattle Police, everything's out of here, recorded. Can you talk with me for a minute here?
What's going on? I'm going to talk to you over here.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Let's go in the corner over here. See what's going on. I'll zoom out with them. Alright. So, we've got a couple of calls about you, my man. What brings you to the airport tonight?
I'm going to California.
Do you have a book? You have a ticket?
Yes.
Can I see it?
I just lost it. That's why I'm walking that way to get a new ticket.
Okay. You got some ID on you, man?
I don't.
Okay. How are you going to get through security without ID?
I don't know. I have my ticket.
Okay.
What is wrong?
So we got a couple of calls about your talking to other women and trying to get through the checkpoint with no ID and no boarding pass and nothing.
No, I have my boarding pass. I just got to get it.
Okay, look. Just relax for a second here, okay? You're sweating. Why are you sweating?
Because I'm stressed out. So I'm
Okay.
I'm like 30 minutes.
So
before my flight leaves.
just give me a second to confirm your story, and we'll get you on your way, okay? If that is indeed it, all right? So let's relax your name. What's your first name, my man?
Dylan.
Dillon.
Yep. Oh. Can I please go get my boarding pass? Because I'm really late.
What's a date of birth for you, man? So what airline are you flying on?
Alaska.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really important flight for me.
Okay. So the boarding passes here at the airport, the boarding passes for Alaska are all on your phone.
Yes, but I had the physical one they printed out for me, and I lost it. So look, I downloaded the app.
Okay. Do you have a confirmation or an email?
That's why I was just going to get a new ticket. Man, I don't want no problems. I just want to fly to California.
I'm not trying to give you any problems here. What I'm trying to tell you is we got a couple of calls about your behavior. That's why I'm talking to you at all.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay. Is your ID out of Washington or another state?
Washington.
Okay. And again, to go over this ground, how are you going to get past security when you don't have an ID? You need an ID to go past security.
I do have an ID.
Do you have it on you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Well, I don't see how that's legislated.
I want to know who I'm talking to.
I have done nothing wrong to make me have to give you my ID.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna go get my boarding pass.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. If you got a boarding pass, man, I got his name here. We'll just follow him. Alt to switch. I remember the name. Last. Hey, man. Tickets are over there. Alaska's over there. Last of Campbell, common spelling. First of David, Ida, Lincoln, Ocean, Nora, middle J like John. You're causing disturbance in the airline. I'm following you to make sure that you are ticketed.
I just want to fly to California. What's going on?
Phone subject over
Hey,
Alaska.
you're not
so
about
they're
to tap
ticketed.
me, are you?
What did I just tell you, man? I told you I'm following you to make sure you got a ticket.
I have a ticket, man.
I'm following the subject to Alaska to determine if they have a ticket.
Why do you keep talking in the walkie-talkie? Sorry.
Sir, could you guys help us for a second here, please? We're coming to determine something here. Can you check if this gentleman has a boarding pass?
Yep, I got for a flight to California. I'm sorry to Seriously, I'm sorry to disturb you guys at all.
Call to an update on that. Correct.
So you have a reservation with us, but the timing is the issue. Give me 1 second, okay?
So what's going on?
Oh no, I just need to reprint
What's
this for
wrong?
him.
Yeah, because I got to get to my. That's what I'm saying. I'm in a hurry. Can you please print my.
Yes, give me 1 second, okay?
All right, thank you. Are you having a good night besides this?
Yeah, just give me a sec.
Sorry. Why do you keep doing that in the walkie-talkie?
Because I'm talking on the radio, man.
If he gives me my ticket, I'm good.
Well, we'll see if they're gonna fly you, man. I don't know.
This is fine.
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
are you on one of our flights?
Yes. I'm trying to get to the flight.
Okay, did somebody escort him here? Yeah?
He claims he had a ticket.
I have a ticket to go to California.
Are you going to Santa Ana?
Yep. But no. I'm going to, actually to a sober housing unit in California.
All right.
I'm sorry?
Was there a DLC one in there?
So it looks
I
like
couldn't
you
hear.
have
He started warrants like 3 or 4 times. I don't know. If you could get on the radio and help me out there so I can watch him.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to. We're gonna rebook you. But right now, we're gonna have to wait at least 4 hours prior to allowing you to take the flight. Okay. So we're gonna check the next available flight to Orange County.
Okay.
But you're not gonna be able to take this one at 6:45, right?
All right. Yeah, no, absolutely not.
Okay.
I'll go hang out. I'm good. I just really need to get to California. It's really important for my life.
I know. I understand.
Super.
You're just gonna really,
All right.
really, really.
You just put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Relax, 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 relax. Relax, relax, relax.
There you go. I'll explain it all. We're gonna still get your refund.
Double cuff?
What's it for?
DOC. DOC.
No, she knew I was going to California.
So hang on. We're gonna when you get out, you can get your ticket and get to rehab. Okay.
fuck, man. Would you like that?
Yeah. So he ain't flying tonight.
All right, my car is on the 4th floor.
You're a bitch.
Thank you. Perfect. Let's do that.
Fuck.
You've done really good so far. Let's not fuck that up. Okay? I appreciate you being calm.
I'll
Let's just
fuck-
continue that, okay?
I'll fuck you up.
No doubt, but let's. you
Yeah, I
done good
would,
so
100%.
far. All right.
1v1, I'd fuck your shit off. You know that. You ain't tough.
All right.
What door yet?
We're at 25.
Yeah, you guys can't find nothing better to do. I'm trying to go to rehab.
Let's go outside.
Relax.
I'm going to rehab.
This outdoor.
My PO knows I'm going to rehab. You guys do nothing positive. You guys do only negative fucking bullshit. My PO knows I'm going to rehab. I was going to rehab. You know that. You're a bitch, bro. That's why you're a fat, chubby, chipmunk looking. Being positive for society. So if you ever think that you're doing anything positive for society, just go shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's go.
That bugs me?
Nice car.
You think that bothers me?
French bean pie for me.
That don't bug you. That don't
Resisting, you're gonna get additional charge. Okay, I will charge you with resisting arrest. You
for
understand me?
carrying my fucking groin?
You can comply.
Hey, go ahead. Hey, hop on board with the young PD. They know what's up. They know what kind of fucking shit's up.
I'm trying to search his belt line on this side. Are you guys searching on your side or no?
You're breaking my wrist.
Pocket is clear. Hey, dude, why don't you chill? Ow! On the ground. Ow! Ground. Ow! Right here. Ow! 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 You go and get cleaned up. My arm is locked. I got his feet. Go get cleaned up. Get clean. Hang on. Relax. On your side.
All right.
Stay there. Or on your side.
Okay. Stop hurting.
Keep your feet. Keep your feet
Keep
down.
your feet down, or you're gonna
Please
go back
just
on
stop
your
hurting
stomach.
me.
We're just gonna let you be on your side. Just gonna put him in the car. Up. He's agreeing to go.
Stand up.
Oh.
Sit down. Get these cuffs off. Yes. All right. Come on, John. Get that leg in there. There you go.
Who wants to really do a score with me? Okay, you guys, we got that down. Okay, obviously. I guess I can just have them meet me at that. Here, just clear like that.
You gonna go to the hospital? You need to. What do you feel like you need to do?
He just spit in my face. I don't know if
Did it get in your mouth? Did it get in your eyes?
it got everywhere. He was you to me, and he just went and spit everywhere. Huh? No, the charge was assault 3. I got spit in the face.
Yes, I understand that. I'm guessing you're going to forward those. Just don't want to book on a COC warrant right now.
And the score.
Yeah, that's fine.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.